In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Coinbase account. So I will stress that you need to know your Coinbase login details. This is very important. Then you need to go to the website on the screen. And what you want to do is just sign in like normal. So put in your email address, put in your password. And when you're done, just hit continue. Next, you'll get the screen which will tell you what the process is going to be here. So you are going to need a two-factor authentication code which is going to be sent to your phone number. You need to have the phone number connected to your account. Then they are going to want to scan your ID as well as access your webcam or phone camera so that they can run you through the KYC process again to just verify that this is really you. And keep in mind, verification can take quite some time. I think it was something like 72 hours. And you'll just have to keep coming back to check if it is complete. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.